So chlorophyll, right, is found in plants, and it's responsible for photosynthesis. It's the green pigment, which is super cool because it converts the sun's energy into chemical energy. Right? And then photosynthesis is cool because, and you'll see it here in a second, it uses CO2 plus water to form carbohydrates, right? Which is how we get energy from eating plants. And I'm just going to abbreviate carbohydrates as CHO. So what's kind of cool with this is, and you also notice that it's got the central metal of magnesium, which has a 2+ charge. This is kind of one of the reasons why, leafy greens are a great source of magnesium, like spinach is a great source.